The Digital Growth Community is launching tomorrow. So I don't know if you've heard about it, but this is a product that, well, actually it's 4 products that were created by Michele Oneil. And Michele is the one person that basically branched off of IPS. She took the IPS products, she's run with them for months. She's made over $1 million. She created the Digital Growth Community, and this community is basically 4 products that will be launched in Kajabi, and basically everything that you would need to launch a business. She's done it in a way that breaks the business steps up in 4 sections. So there's a $100 product and it's called the Launchpad, and that product will get you all set up for going from nothing to a digital business in 7 days. It'll take you from launch to profit in 7 days. The second product is $300, and it is Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and it will further your journey. The next product is a $600 product, and it is Digital Mastery, and it takes you further and helps you scale up your business. The last product is the Legacy Builder program, and it is going to be $900, and it will help you leave a legacy, a wealth legacy to your family. If you're interested in something that helps you work between 2 and 3 hours a day to just get that daily pay, then this is something that you want to look at, because if that's as much time as you can afford, there are going to be proven ways that you can build in those little increments of time. And you know, it doesn't have to be a race. It's not a race, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. So even if it takes you a little longer, the steps will be there for you, that you'll be able to follow them with a community that has 12.5 thousand people as of today. So it's something that you can get involved in if you're wanting to have some hand holding through your business, starting a business. Then I really think you need to check it out. The information is up. If you just click my profile, there is some launch information there. And honestly, if you do, you also get my Canva Crash Course just for signing up. So go grab that, and that is a gift that I'll give you that will help you to launch your journey. And I hope that you get involved in it. It's going to be great. So let's leave a legacy for our families. Will you join us? Comment growth if you're interested, and then go hit my face and go into my stand store and click the very top product, Digital Growth Community. Let's do it.